I'm Emily. I'm a physiotherapist practicing in Vancouver at ProCare Health and Wellness. Much of my work involves helping people recover from injuries and manage muscle tension. In physiotherapy, we focus on improving mobility, rebuilding strength, and restoring healthy movement patterns. Rehabilitation involves movement training and gradual rebuilding of physical capacity. Incorporating appropriate relaxation techniques into daily life can aid in the overall recovery process. V-hand and forehand massage techniques relax the muscles of the neck, back, and waist. The full-body massage can help relieve muscle tension after rehabilitation. As for the leg reflexology massage, it targets fatigue in the calves and thighs. The zero-gravity mode can help relax the spine at a more natural angle, reducing support pressure and helping the body enter a recovery state. As a physiotherapist, I remind people that relaxation devices do not replace professional assessment or treatment, but that serves as one example of a relaxation tool. If you experience persistent pain, worsening symptoms, or limitations in daily activities, it is still advisable to seek professional medical evaluation. When movement, recovery, and healthy habits come together, the body can build a stronger and more resilient foundation.
OSIM